mais uma gameplay de Grand Theft Auto 5, ou melhor traduzindo, GTA 5. Espero que todos estiverem chegando, deixem um like, não vai custar nada, compartilhem o vídeo, participem da comunidade do Discord, e quem quiser apoiar o canal, tem um link aí também na descrição. Bom galera, hoje estamos aqui a mais uma... No momento que você estiver vendo ao vivo, né, pessoal da Twitch, é live ou a gameplay de GTA 5. Hoje nós vai continuar as aventuras aqui com o Michael Franklin Trevor em Los Santos. Eu acho que nós vai parar no ponto de partida onde é mês de Halloween, né, do GTA Online. O Halloween assombra Los Santos. Nós tá em outubro. Aí vem essas propagandas da Rockstar, né? Mas como eu tava dizendo, a gente parou na última parte, deixa eu ver, uns 4 dias atrás, acho. Nós fez aquela jogada ensaiada. Foi uma missão muito da hora. E agora nós vai fazer as missões com o Devin Weston. A Tony aí, né? A gente vai fazer essa parte de missões com o Devin, ou Steve Haynes, um policial FBI. E hoje um último recado antes do jogo iniciar, galera. O pessoal que estiver vendo pela Twitch, anotem aí meu canal principal, depois quem quiser ver pelo YouTube, a playlist Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Anotado? Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay. Aí vocês vão acompanhar a live ao vivo. Quer dizer, as gameplay direto de todos os jogos que eu tô jogando. Hoje eu quis dar continuidade, adiantar mais as partes do GTA 5 Red Dead 2. Aí os outros jogos que eu tô coisando, o Rise não dá o mesmo. Eu vou dar continuidade ainda. Eu pretendo finalizar logo o game. Que horas são? Vamos fazer aquela missão. Pera aí. Opa, chamar de táxi. Tal de Felipe?
Okay,
Vamos
sure, I
tentar,
got
né?
you. Thanks, Mr. Clinton. He's waiting outside the Mount Zone Medical Center.
Vamos ver as camisetas. Antes vou colocar uma roupa legal no trunk. Acho que o cara espera. Camisetas. Deixa eu ver aqui. Bonés. Deixa eu ver. Chapéus. Los Santos grafite. Aí ficou da hora, hein, Frank? Pera aí, galera. Vamos ver aqui. O que é pra fazer as missões de táxi? Onde é? Ah, aqui ó, administração de propriedade. Oh shit. Tem várias missões aqui ainda no jogo. Uou! Full. Lembrando, eu tô jogando meu console Xbox com umas Slim, galera. Opa. Minfi. Uou! Ai.
Oh my fucking god!
Vamos mudar aqui.
Why the fuck do you have to do that? Hell yeah!
Que é esse maluco? Uou! É Felipe o seu nome?
I need to get up to the Vinewood sign right now. You can really let it rip, bro. There's no such thing as too crazy in my book, okay? You got it. And don't worry, I'll throw in a fat tip if you get me there in a seriously rad fashion. My dad's big time rich.
Puta gorjeta. Opa, já vamos lá. Opa!
I'm really not kidding, bro. No nuts, leave it all on the road. There it is, adrenaline boner. I don't have limits, only next
Você
level.
quer adrenalina, cara? Então vamos lá.
Okay, I get it. Anything
Okay,
to move
okay.
this along is cool with me.
Yeah, smell
Opa.
that burning rubber. Oh yeah, I'm back in business, baby. Let's do this. Tell me you
Whoa.
don't feel alive.
Tamo indo rápido.
Yeah, come on. Put me back in hospital.
O cara é louco,
Now
velho.
that's what I'm talking about. Not far now. I say we step it up and go off road, bro. Do it. Son of a bitch. Hey, come on, don't lose it now. Let's turn the extreme back up. Christ.
Tá bom pra você?
And didn't you just get out the hospital?
I know, right? I must be completely insane. Check myself out against medical advice, too. Uh-oh. Here we go. Back on track. The doctor was all like, you might have internal bleeding. And I'm all like, you might have internal lameness. So check it. Nose dive. I was trying to free climb the Arcadius building in Pillbox Hill. Got one story up and fell off. Why do they have to make little skyscrapers so damn slippery? Oh, you missed him. There it is.
Oh.
Power drift, baby. Oh, hell. Fender bender. Woo-hoo. Sick air, man. Come on. Oh, yeah. Burst my stitches. Oh, sorry. Nah.
divertiu?
Here we are, dog. Hope that worked out for you.
Totally. I was looking for next level, and brother, you delivered. Keep it real. I'm out. Now, where are those guys? I don't see them anywhere.
Ah, eu ia matar ele, mas deixa quieto. Sai da frente! Vamos ver o que o Trevor tá fazendo. Vamos fazer da senhora e do senhor Nartel lá, aquelas missões. Ah, que da hora. Trevor.
All right, here we go. Oh. What have I done to deserve this?
Oh, e as ações lá, cara?
Make it stop! Make him go!
Deixa o Freud em paz aqui por enquanto. Meu Deus do céu.
I'm so sorry, Deborah.
I'm sorry. Ah, Deborah. Vamos lá, Trevor. Beba. Beba, meu filho. Parar de beber por enquanto. Oh, yeah. Ó, vamos terminar de procurar essas pistas para o senhor e senhora Nigel. Bobby Boy. Terça-feira.
Fool, you're a fine fucking fool.
Fucking fool. É, o carro não vai reto, cara. Viva! Uou! Ah, tem a missão Devin Weston.
You blind piece of shit.
Direção, ganha uma habilidade. Até carry.
I feel like calling up the designer and saying like, what the fuck?
Lembrando de pai o
Can I pet your pooch? I'm a big fan.
Dexy! That's your fault, you
Dexy.
stupid bald prick! Quick! Go on! Go after him!
Rápido, vai atrás dele.
Call the pound and an ambulance.
Vem cá, seu cachorro.
It's a guy chasing a dog! What is it with you people? Doggy! Come on, doggy! Be good to daddy!
Táxi, táxi.
Gotcha, you little bastard!
Vem aqui, táxi.
There. I know this is weird for all of us.
Pronto, eu sei, isso é estranho pra
You're
tu.
gonna make a batshit crazy lady very happy.
Varrida muito.
Okay, all right. Now get back to Carrie before she uses this as an excuse to go back to rehab.
Se internar. Vamos ver se a Carrie tá lá.
Look, I don't know how you got this number, but I suggest you use it. Yoo-hoo!
Hey! I didn't see you at Muffy's pool party last week.
Poppy's guy, no?
Chalk! Celebrity newsflash! Maniac steals code from Carrie
Google
McIntosh's
também.
dog in Rockford Hills.
Oh, how delightful! Mrs. Thornhill will have me sporting that in the bedroom before the week is out. Oh, I joke, of course. We really can't thank you enough for all the effort you're going to make our holiday so special.
Ah, don't mention it. I always enjoy meeting people more chemically unbalanced than myself.
Nossa, que doidura.
It's cool. I'm not trying to mess with you. That worked out.
Oh my god, you need some real work done.
All the paparazzi in
Vamos lá,
this town are fucking lame. Whatevs.
Doures. Bateu o cachorro. Vamos ver o que o Michael tá fazendo.
What happened to American mainstream movie making? Oh, don't act like a tough guy.
Ó, meu carro tá aqui. Vamos fazer uma missão mais com o Trevor aqui. Uou, campo de golfe. Vamos fazer essa missão, peraí. Uou, cuidado.
Miss me!
Ai, cara, eu preciso de grana.
Yo, you spitting hard.
Dinheiro não dá pra nada.
Only have yourself.
O que é isso aqui? Ah, matança. Breaking news. Sai da frente.
That was close. That was
Vamos ver.
entirely
Vou
your
colocar
fault.
esse cara aí, bom.
I am highly trained. Keep your distance.
Vou chamar a polícia.
Hello, this is 911. What emergency service do you require? Thank you. Police officers are en route to your current location.
Go to hell.
Nossa, me atirou, covarde. Olha que da hora, que legal. Inteligência.
How did you get in the police force?
Vamos colocar o sertanejo aqui.
Miss me!
Vamos ver o que tem aqui. Hipster, parece.
Solo que dijo ella.
Ah, são bandidos, ó, da favela.
Hey, ese, ¿qué onda?
Matança, vagos.
It's none of your business, okay? Hey, it's a slight accent.
Ah, é um
I grew
sotaque.
up in Canada, huh?
Ah, agora vocês vão ver. Vamos ver, vamos ver.
And before
Fuck
you
no.
fucking ask, no, I'm not a motherfucker.
Quase bem. Eita porra, meu irmão. Insanidade. O povo tá correndo, quem passa o carro passando. Eu vou ajudar o desgraçado.
Hey, where the hell are you going with my bike?
Eu sei quem é, o administrador.
Oh, I am so sorry.
Take it. I can afford another hospital bill.
Eu vou ser generoso, vai, vai, vai. Ô, dando de bike, pela primeira vez GTA V, galera, que da hora.
Sunday morning.
We should chill sometime. Got it. Oh, thank fuck you got it. Thanks, man. Seriously, you saved my ass. Oh, you're the man, buddy. What can I say? I've never liked bullies.
Oh, shit! Damn, Wolves.
You and your friends seem really sad. Like you watch too many silly movies. Brainless fool!
What's up, fucking snack?
Tem minha caminhonete. Será que roubaram ela? Eu não acredito. Vamos dormir. O Franco tá na casa dele. É quase 1 hora já de gameplay. É isso aí, Franco.
Now, that's like 6 burpees right there.
Uhum. Vamos ver a casa do Joe aqui. Nós não vimos a casa direita do Frank.
All that shit? Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass. I ain't getting your ass on them doggy mood drugs. You ain't going that fine with them. You just want some discipline in your life, don't you? I can tell.
À noite, madrugada, Los Santos. Vamos ver as ações aqui. subiu. Ó, deu pra lucrar bem. Vamos ver a sala do Durante. Da hora. Oh, é aquele lá, o coisa. Vamos grama. Ai, ai.
Imran, hey, it's been like 5 minutes since you said anything. You're paid to talk, buddy.
I'm here in association with Flow Water. Flow Water.
Hey, let's take a minute for the troops and for disabled people and for sick pets and for ugly people. They suffer the most of all. And speaking of ugly people, is William a pimple on America's ass or a charming gnome in its garden? Fame?
É isso aí.
Anita.
I think
I-10.
shame. Which is a shame. It just wasn't there for me.
That's gotta be pretty heartbreaking, buddy. But you're not out of the running yet. Imran.
I just love the exciting.
Vamos ver aqui, tá o Frank tomando esse cachimbo, vamos ver.
What? Shame. No question.
Down, you power boy. Let's talk to the big chief and hear from him. You.
Well, William, you know,
Man, I got to get some real fucking weed. ASAP. This shit is so fucking weak. It can't.
Vamos desligar a TV. Nossa, ele tá drogado, hein, cara.
And you cry. Old news. Thinking through your head.
Shabby kitty. She's.
I'm just proud of the journey I've been on. It means so much to me, and my sick brother, and our dead dog.
Yes, she was my pupil, but she turned evil.
Girl, I'm blind and I knew that bitch was evil. I could smell it. She had some.
Aumentar o volume aqui, deixa eu ver.
And she is overtly sexy, but also
Controversial. Anita, flash your titties.
No.
Have a mental breakdown or something.
Unacceptable. What is this?
Hugh.
Vamos desgrama.
Shoot him in the nuts. I can't lose this gig. I got a mortgage to pay.
When I feel anxiety, I visit Hillfarm.
Aquele é o cara, esse aí é o apresentador daquela missão que o Michael e o Trevor arrancaram quase, sabe, com a filha dele, a Tracy.
We've got one more vote on fame or shame.
Só não lembro o nome dele.
I'm going to vote. Fame. Fame. America needs power ballads sung by top talent.
Se o nome dele, galera, é
like you. And I'd like to sign you to my record label.
Leslo, é Leslo.
But first, please, would you do
Leslo.
me a favor? What? Anything? What? Do the honors, get us out of here, and take him out. What?
Vamos pra missão lá da lei. Eu sou a lei, vocês vão ver. Vamos ver o Michael aqui. Óbvio que de madrugada ele vai estar na casa dele. O Michael ainda tá sozinho em casa, a casa toda bagunçada. que tá escrito aqui? Deixa eu ver em primeira pessoa. Ideia, querido, Amanda, you choque of this. Amanda. Nossa, cara, ele tá bebendo aqui pra caramba, Michael sozinho nesse ponto da história. A casa toda bagunçada, ó. Louça suja, olha. Eita porra. Que é isso aqui? Leite em pó, né? Caixa. Ai, ai. Que dia é? Quarta-feira. Vamos pra missão. Cadê meu carro?
Typical.
Uou! As ações, né? Tem que vender, falar nisso.
You're gonna cause a traffic accident looking like that.
Vamos lá descer. Devin West. Eu sou a lei, eu acho que esse é o nome da missão. Essa missão é da hora, cara. Vocês vão ver. 6:30 da manhã. Ai, caramba. Cuidado, Franklin. Nossa, olha o sol. O sol amanhecendo é bonito, hein?
Too close.
É, o dia tá amanhecendo já. Live Vender. É verdade que você tem um cafofo em Vinewood Hills? Porque eu devo ter pedido o convite da festa. Dana Wells. Ou você ainda não saiu? Parece que as coisas estão feias no Los Santos. Espero que esteja bem aí com você. Olha o Strash, o que mandou? Não sei o que rolou naquele lance em Davis, mas eu vou descobrir quem foi o mano que nos quaquetou. Olha é o Strash. Ah, aquela missão lá, né? É da hora esse aqui, cara. Olha o Barry Felton mirando. Agora a Pop. Você é o meu amuleto da sorte. Relaxa sobre a grana. Eu sempre cuido dos meus próprios. Falou? Vamos lá, vamos lá. Ah, o Devin Weston está aqui na construção. Olha ele lá sozinho. Tira esse capacete, Frank.
Hello.
Olá.
Slick. Oh, you must be Michael.
Campeão Devin, você deve ser o rapaz do Michael.
Sometimes enlightenment.
Ma'am,
It can be a
às vezes o
real
entendimento.
Good to meet you.
Yeah, likewise.
Prazer em conhecê-lo.
We hear you're a
Certo,
competent
tipo
repo
mesmo.
guy, yes?
Nós estamos sabendo que você... Sim, é tipo um hobby meu.
The underappreciated
Requisitar os mal
possessions of my
valorizados.
contemporaries
Devin
for some
West.
wealthy communists in China who will value them much more. Robbing my so-called
What?
friends, Slick.
Roubar os meus amigos, campeão.
Why?
Why?
Because they have things nobody else has, because they can
Por quê?
afford
Porque
it,
se
because
você...
frankly I'm rich enough to do whatever the fuck I want. And you're poor enough not to ask me any goddamn stupid questions.
O rico
Now,
e
I
se
mean that
acha,
as a
né?
friend. Namaste.
That's
Oh,
a nice
namaste.
fucking
Oh,
speech
Trevor
about the
chegou.
value of friendship.
Oh, of course, you must be the creepy
Cara, você
one.
deve ser o
That's
cara
coming
estranho,
from you,
of course.
please. What's going on? You're gonna dress
que
up
tá
as traffic
acontecendo?
cops and you're gonna rob two trust fund kids that I
Vestido
know
de policiais de
and dislike
trânsito, uau.
intensely. Why?
We can get a good price for the vehicles in Asia. Look,
Bom
complete the
preço
work,
pelos
you'll all be
veículos na
well paid.
Ásia.
You're late, sugar tits.
Yep.
Você tá atrasado,
What's
sim.
going on?
E aí?
Oh, you
Oh,
finally get to
oh.
realize your childhood dream and
O
dress up
sonho
as
de
a cop.
infância.
Mr. Weston's
E se
research
vestir de
team
policial.
suggests the two boys like to ride on the Senhora Freeway.
Sounds manageable.
Hey, you two get
Yes,
going.
mesmo.
Let's go, T. Dog, I don't know if this
Vamos lá,
shit's
T.
for me, homie. My life's already way the fuck out of control.
All right, look. I'm a
Certo, olha
Darwin's
só.
brother, all right? Some prosper and some struggle. Now, are you out of your goddamn mind? This is your lucky break. Choose. Now, are you going to do this, or have you
Choose.
simply found your level in life?
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I'll get
Acho
you
que
will,
vamos
homie.
descobrir. É certo, é isso aí, homie. O primeiro trabalho com o Devin West. Vamos com esse carro vermelho aqui, ó. Pô, ficou até com dó, galera, de arranhar esse carro. Olha, vai primeira vez aqui na rodovia descobrir essa parte do mapa. Opa! Vamos lá, vamos lá. Pera aí, galera. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Já arranhei o carro, pena. Olha aqui, rodovia movimentada, tá porra, ó. Ó, tá ligando pro Michael.
Hey, Frank. Hey, I'm nearly with these dudes, man. You guys comfortable on your end?
Yeah, I guess. We look pretty ridiculous.
Acho que a gente tá vestido bem ridículo.
Man, look, I'll see you soon.
Yeah. We'll pick you up coming through Grapeseed. Get the drivers there and get them going
Eu
at
mostrei
speed.
ele pra lá indo bem rápido, né? Race Beat? Uau! Caraca, velho. Vamos lá. Nossa.
I'm telling you, 2.7 millimeters.
How about we see which one of you two is for real? So get in your cars and let's see if they move as fast as
Entra nos carros e vamos ver se vocês tiram bem.
We were just getting out of here anyway.
Alright. Opa! Os carros são rápidos, hein? O Devin é colecionador de carros, né? Caraca, velho! Só tem que aqui ó, usar a habilidade do frango. Nossa! É, missão da hora de perseguição aos carros, tudo, galera. Olha lá os eles são rápidos, velho. Ô, estamos atravessando metade do estado de Los Santos. Ô, imagina. Caramba, deixa quieto. Ó, o Brain Count, estamos próximos. Pensando vocês. Oh, nossa, tô correndo mais que eu, tá porra. Aqui na velocidade, tá bom. Tô correndo até ser quase beirando 200 por hora. Ai!
Hey, we coming up now, man. Be there in a few seconds.
Got it.
Whatever. Here they come.
I'll tell you about that later.
Bem na hora. Uhul!
They get a talk with us back here. We gotta get right up behind them. Suspect has entered the Braddock Tunnel. Officer T maintains his pursuit.
Legal, legal. Estamos bem na costa, calma aí. Oh, essa missão é da hora. É o Marco, como policial Trevor, galera. É, policial rodoviário, nossa.
I don't think they can hear the sirens. We've got to get close.
Para o carro! Em nome
How
da
you doing,
polícia.
T? We gotta hang in there.
Caraca, eita porra.
Am I gaining on them or is that my imagination?
Stay on them, T. They'll
Parem
stop
o carro!
eventually.
Estamos atravessando o mapa por comprar já.
Let's do this! Let's get
boarded. Stay with them.
A toda a região sul de San Andreas. Ah. Eles não querem parar de jeito nenhum. Sai da frente, caminhão. Sai da frente, perseguição. Mapas, ilhas, o mar. Eles vão parar na ponte aqui.
Sweet!
Uou, vamos lá.
Whoa, hey, stay in the car there, homeboy. We'll deal with you
Oh
later.
boy. Ô Franklin, vai tomar multa, cuidado.
You know how fast you're going? Gee, I don't know, officer. I try to keep it under the limit.
Well, you and your boys look like you were drag racing from where we were sitting there, so why don't you get yourself out of the car? Come on.
Come on, desce daí.
Officer, yes, it is. Get on, come on. Hands on the car, let's go.
Come on.
Get out of the fucking car!
Sai da porra do carro.
Hey.
What are you doing, fucking car?
All right, we gotta make sure.
Get out of the fucking car, you
Sai da porra do
prick-faced
carro,
prick!
caralho.
You little shit, get the fuck out of here! Go on!
Opa, eu vou ganhar essa coisa com esse carro, cara.
Oh, you talk a good game. Okay, just don't scratch the cars.
Devin's lonely lawyer says go to Hayes Auto in South LS, so that's where I'll be waiting.
We'll see about that.
Vamos lá, Dean. Ó o Trevor correndo.
That wasn't meant to happen.
Hey, Frank. Yeah, what did I tell you, bro? These cars. This is an opportunity. If you say so. You know what, right before I met you, I was boosting rides and racing them. It feels like it come full circle to me. Come on. No, I'm serious. If you hadn't got me fired from my repo job, this is exactly the kind of shit I be doing. So thanks, dog. After all the crap we've been through, man, you got me right back where I'll be at anyway.
I'm a jet pilot, asshole!
Hey, look, Devin Weston. He ain't like anyone you worked for before. Man, he runs his mouth, wants me to boost cars, and most likely gonna be paying me a fraction of what they...
Tá.
He don't sound that different, to be honest. Now, you must know who this guy is. Look him up. He's the real deal. I've seen his house. He can make things happen.
Vamos lá, vamos fazer a condição logo.
Like, to you, what you were to me. I see your house. I think this dude can take me places. Yeah, maybe. Something like that.
É, maybe. Pô, aqui é grande, hein, Los Santos.
What's your angle, Mike?
What do you mean? Like, how am I gonna beat your ass in this race? Don't worry. I'm taking care of that.
I mean, is it just the smell of green, or is there some other thing with this guy in
Vamos pela grana,
here?
Mike.
You know, feels funky.
Hey, I'm just trying to do what's best for Frank. You know, help him make the
ela não... Deixa isso assim. O problema é que a mole assistindo dele.
I'm serious! Both of you! Back off her!
Deixa ela em paz. Eu lutei contra a lei.
Hey, your car's still alright, right? Good to see you taking this seriously, Frank. Good management. If I'm finna do this, I'm finna do it right. So, how your car, Mike? My car's fine. Yeah, I hope so, cause I'm in charge of this shit, and I will dock your pay.
The stains on the seats were here when I got in.
Oh, come on, T-Man, please.
Pra falar certo, vai acabar com o carro até chegar lá.
Man, that was weird.
Ó, ferrei o caminho.
Look out! I'm passing! Just see if you can stay with me!
Ah, essa cor. Chegamos ao local de entrega. Oh, um pouco arranhado, cara. Oxi.
Gentlemen, I love you all.
Senhor, eu amo todos vocês.
Fantastic. One
Deus.
kid and two old creeps. Who the
Oh, deu
fuck
certo,
would've
graças a
thought?
Deus.
Gentlemen, move the vehicles.
Hey, give me 5, 5, and 5.
Five.
Oh,
Five. Oh,
hey,
yeah.
Just kiss, homie. Boom.
Deitar de mão.
Come on, man. You got the fucking paper?
Absolutely. Look, you
Mas é
finish
claro,
the job,
porra.
you get the paper. But
Escuta aí,
the
você.
order was for 5 cars. If I'm not mistaken,
Termina o trabalho,
that's
pega a
only
grana,
two.
pegar
Just
todos os
give
veículos.
me the fucking money now. Oh, I'm so scared. I really am. But you know what? I'm a payment on completion of work type of guy. You don't like the job? Take a fucking walk.
Hey, come on, man. Hold on.
Ei, qual é,
So what's
mano?
next, man?
Well, it's the Z-type. Chad Mulligan.
Bom, esse é o
Lay it on,
Z-Type.
kid.
Chad
Mulligan's a record
Mulligan.
producer. He's going for a
Agora
messy
temos que
divorce.
pegar Chad
He's
Mulligan.
hiding his valuable assets, including the car, so that makes it complicated. He'll clock any ground surveillance we run.
Ele vai
All we've got
perceber
to go
qualquer
on is if the
vigilância que
car's in a
fizer.
lockup
Tudo
in
que saber é
Howard.
que esse carro está numa garagem em Radiowick. Chad Mulligan.
Not quite. We have access to an LSPD helicopter. The computer on board can
Temos acesso a uma
ID
polícia
pedestrians
da
with a chip
helicóptero de
in
Los
their
Santos.
driver's license. Find Mulligan and Howick. Follow him to the
Encontre o
lockup. Someone on
Mulligan,
the
sigam-no
ground
até a
collects the car.
garagem e alguém só vai coletar o carro.
Who does what?
Então,
You're not
quem faz
needed
o
for this
quê?
job. Phillips,
Você
you're
não é
in the chopper,
necessário.
Clinton, you're on the ground.
Philip,
Yeah, I don't
Clinton, você no
understand
solo.
the
Philip no helicóptero e você...
Yeah, well, I don't understand
Clinton no
the
solo.
deal between you two either. But you know what? Life is just one long mystery. Bye-bye, gentlemen, and stay spiritual. Oh, and Michael, I'll be in touch about your friend.
Entrarei em contato para conversar sobre seu amigo Solomon. Ok, beleza. Que da hora. Mais uma missão cumprida. Pelo menos salvamos aqui. Ai, ai. Vamos colecionar aquelas peças do senhor e a senhora Nigel.
Stay spiritual. I hope he believes in an afterlife.
Vamos ver aqui agora, não. Nossa, Frank, já trocou de roupa. Vamos fazer aquelas missões da senhora Nigel. Opa, cuidado aí, Trevor.
That was entirely your fault. Oh, shit.
Quatro horas da quarta-feira.
Oh God, give me the strength.
Um grande estoque de modificações a rodas e janelas. Vamos roubar aqui primeiro.
¿Dónde está?
Pegar esse cara primeiro. Oh, vamos invadir a casa de um ricaço.
Is wearing off. I've been watching you do laps for like 2 hours now.
Yeah, okay, baby, just one more.
Ok, cara, só mais um.
Yo, that had to be a 4-digit calorie burn. Really even definition.
Come on, we're both white trash. Don't pretend you don't need the publicity.
Ah, já matei. Despiste os policiais. Caso de um famoso Vinewood. Adeus, otários.
Nada feio. Vai fora! Aqui ele não vai me achar, não é possível. Como eles me acharam esses cornos? Vai tomar no cu!
We have a visual. Moving to engage.
Olha lá, eles estão me procurando, ó. Estão me procurando.
Hello? This is Nigel. Please be quick. I'm roaming in the United States of America.
It's me, you nutcase. I picked up some clothes from your friend Tyler Dixon. There's even a skid mark.
What fantastic news! Wait till Mrs. Thornhill hears about this. Oh, she will be pleased as punch.
Lembrando de Vinewood, Tyler. Eu não sou fora nada de alguma coisa.
So what if the investors won't get their money back?
Na primeira vez estamos vindo nessa loja de armas.
I'm not in the business of making money. I'm in the business of making truth. But truth costs money.
Like 1/32 of an ounce.
That exhibit was amazing.
Can't
Vamos pro marco aqui ver o que tem.
Man, that fucking ocean. I could look at that all day.
Aí tá no pier aqui. É, vou salvar o jogo de novo. É o Frank passando roupa. Ah, o Frank acabou de fazer a mudança para um prédio já. Será que tá na casa do Floyd? Ah, tá. Oh, passou a noite dormindo bêbado, Trevor.
Come on! Frank, hey, I want to get close to you, man. On!
What? I thought I was about to see you at that thing. You know what I'm talking about?
Fine, I'm reading you. Loud and clear.
Jesus, what?
Vamos ver o driver vai chamar o Michael.
Trevor, remember me? Let's get together and pretend things aren't weird.
Trevor, yeah, okay.
Good. I've been monitoring your movements. I can be there soon.
Ah, vamos fazer o social. Nunca saímos com o Michael, né? É numa quinta-feira nós estamos, né?
Let's do this.
Oh, o Michael tá de óculos, hein?
Hey, it's good to hang out, bro.
So, well, this is fun.
Hey, it's good seeing you again, man.
Is it? Is it really?
Yeah, it really is. I thought you were... well, I was gonna say dead, but that wouldn't be funny, would it?
What do you think?
I think it wouldn't be funny. Listen, buddy. You've always been so important to me.
I can tell.
But I had a family. I had to get out. You gotta understand, everything went crazy, and then... well, after you ran into the woods while I was lying hurt, I guess I heard that you had been killed.
Sure.
Hey, it's true, I swear.
Sure,
Otherwise,
it's you know
what? Whatever. Let's just make up for lost time.
Whatever you say.
O que dá pra fazer com o Michael jogar Fuller? Que da hora isso. Que legal isso aqui.
Hey, there's a bar right around here. You wanna grab a drink?
Esse bar é da hora, hein?
Fuck you, I'm drunk and you're a dick.
No. Fuck you. I'm drunk and you are definitely a dick.
Oh. Nice. You call your best friend a dick.
You started it.
You started it. Backstabbing turd. You started everything. Ain't you got the memo? You're a backstabber and you deserve to die.
Oh, gee, thanks, T. That's really nice of you.
Screw you, Art. Just stop whining. No one likes a whiner. Here we are. Don't choke on your own vomit in the night.
Hey, I'm sober, but don't worry about it.
Tô sóbrio.
Start, you piece of shit!
Pô, essa rede tá com salário não, vai não.
you going? Fucking move! A souvenir! A token of gratitude to your fans. It's time to give back, Mark. Oh. Okay, fuck, crap.
Eu só queria os tacos de coco. Sai daqui, pelo amor de Deus. Ali a saída. Só porque só vai ter rapão. Sai da frente!
This car's gonna be parked outside your house.
Vai conseguir despistar eles? What's your Nigel aí?
Word up! I said it, Mrs. Thornhill.
I persuaded Mark Fostenberg to donate one of his golf clubs to your Museum of Dysfunction.
Oh, bravo! It will take pride of place on the wall above Jill von Krastenberg's pregnancy test. Speak to you soon. I love Americans. You're all so brash and uncomplicated.
Vamos conhecer o Solomon Richards. Vamos lá. Tomar no cu essa polícia para de me encher o saco.
Fucking beautiful.
Parou de procurar, vamos lá.
Anyone home?
O quarto tudo jogado ainda. É uma quinta-feira. O Michael vai virar um cineasta agora com o Solomon Richards. E tá chovendo, hein? Vamos ver aqui.
Hello. Come in.
Olá.
You must be
Senhor
Michael.
Richards. Olá. Você
You
deve
know,
ser
I
o
used to
Michael.
have 3
Sim.
secretaries. Now
Sabe,
I
eu
have to
costumava
make my
ter
own
3
coffee and give
secretários.
myself a happy ending. See, the ships are coming in, but the walls will hold us.
Nelson in Naples.
Nelson
Pluto,
in
I
Naples.
said Mars, you cocksucker.
Shoulder of Orion. 2.
O ombro de Orion. 2.
Devin Weston said
filmes,
you were
ó.
a fan.
Huge fan.
Tell me, Michael.
De carteirinha.
Devin Weston. Did he?
Devin Weston.
Does he want you to bump me off?
No,
Ele
not at all.
quer que
He
você
said
me
you were
apague? Não, de
retiring,
jeito nenhum.
might need some
Ele
help
disse que
on a
você
movie.
Only
vai talvez
assholes
precise de ajuda.
retire, Michael. Him and my
Michael.
son, they want to put me out to pasture
Ele é
so
meu
we can
filho.
turn this place into
Ele é o, então
condos
o
or
Sr.
theme
Richards
park or
é
something.
o pai
This
de
place is
Devin
a
Weston.
dream factory.
Well, maybe they have different dreams. Some days, I don't blame them.
Às vezes não acho
You know,
que é
they
a culpa
always
dele.
say, never work
Você sabe
with
que ele
children
nunca
or
trabalha com
animals.
crianças
Well, I
ou
want to
os
add to that
animais.
list. Never work with directors or
Nunca,
actors.
diretores
This
ou
picture is
atores.
gonna kill me.
All right. So what's it about?
Tá bom, e sabe sobre o que é?
Set
Ele é
in
perfeito.
Liberty City.
Liberty City.
It's
O
all being
colapso.
shot on green screen right out back there. We take a look at the financial crisis, and then we boil it all down into a really simplistic battle
Da hora.
between 2 yuppies. With lots of training montages.
So what's the problem?
Milton McElroy. I cast him in the second lead because he's cheap. 0 talent, incidentally. Well, he's got this new agent, Rocco Pelosi. He's been hassling us about
Rocco
renegotiating the deal. So now, he's holding up shooting until he gets paid.
That sounds problematic.
It would be if the director wanted to shoot. Anton Baudelaire. Ever heard of him? That doesn't surprise me. Now he's having a mental breakdown, pissing all over himself who knows where.
All right. Looks like you got yourself that new assistant. But no happy endings.
I love you
Tem happy
already.
endings. Vamos lá. Devin West.
carro mesmo. Novo contato, Solomon Richards. Vamos fazer um serviçinho com o Solomon.
Hey, Solomon, I'm just doing that thing.
Good, good. Now, I realized in my excitement, I forgot some details.
Yeah, it seemed obvious. You want this Pelosi guy clipped?
No, God, no. Is that an option? No, bad idea, bad idea. No clipping anyway. Just teach him some manners. He's also in my director's ear as well,
na sala de
if you'd
cinema,
believe
né?
it. So teach this punk a lesson and bring the talent back to set. Ideally, in a more collaborative mood.
I'll see what I can do. They all gonna be at the club?
I'm told it isn't a club so much as a rat pit. Anton and Milton are supposed to be there, and Pelosi's on the way to pick them up. He's taking them to his lawyer to sign the contracts, so if he hears there's someone from the studio coming, he'll get him out fast.
All right, I'll go in quiet. I'll see you on the set, boss.
Vejo no set, chefe. Ok. Essa missão é aquela que a gente tem que desarmar, entrar lá no distrito de cinema, galera, e pegar. Acho que é o Roco do GTA 4, se não me engano, tá aqui, sabe? Lembra? Da DLC lá do Luiz Fernando Lopes. É isso mesmo, lembrei. A gente vai cruzar com ele. Ele é diretor rival de concorrência cinema do Solomon Richards. Olha aí, ó. Chegou ele mesmo. É o Rouco. Eles querem fazer um filme colapso, chubado.
Gentlemen, how you like the space? It's gonna be an EDM paradise. There's gonna be sparklers stuck in bottles, implants, tramp stamps, all the real shit. That's Pelosi Entertainment. Now give me a minute here, just a minute. Gotta go grab something inside. Johnny, we nearly got the club. We're finally a go. Now you take care of these guys. No cold feet. Okay? Let's go.
É o Rouco Pelosi. É, ele trabalha produtor de filmes de Vinewood em Los Santos. É, continua metido. Ele é da família Ancelotti. Esse Rouco aí, que apareceu na DLC do GTA 4, a balada gay de Tony. Deixa eu ver o negócio aqui. Esse é um personagem secundário, galera, da DLC lá, balada aqui de Tony. Ele volta a aparecer em GTA V, ó. É exatamente isso mesmo. Ele agora é um produtor de cinema. O pai dele é da família, é um mafioso. Eu não quero matar ninguém, se for der. Devagar. como. Tem que ir devagar, deixa eu ver.
Jesus Christ, it's hot here. That's gonna be one sweaty ass club. Excuse me, you can't be here. You're on the wrong.
Ah, cai fora.
And if it's really bad, the development inspector's got a wife and kids. Oh, say something. All we do is move some weight out of the back room.
Can I get you anything? Max?
You got any kale chips?
Nah, won't got that. Want Molly?
Molly? No, it's McElroy. Milton McElroy. I find me.
No Max? Last chance.
Have you got any free tips? I'm Master Julie.
Tem vários funcionários aqui.
Better have a fat envelope of public works. It might be too. I think you're lost, buddy. You can't be here. I'm calling the boss.
Acabou.
Come on. Just work and I can go.
Vou deixar esse cara aí.
Day trip's over, gentlemen. You're going back to
Você
set.
acabou, cavaleiro.
Oh, who's
Vocês vão
this?
voltar pro canal. Quem é esse? Olha lá.
Who's this jackass? Hey, you!
Oh,
Ei, você.
these guys are in love with
Descobri
their
que esses
contract.
caras amam o
Instead of
contrato
going back
deles.
to set
A
with me.
desobedecendo o contrato, né?
believe
Com
this
o
fucking clown?
Salomão.
No! This guy's all mine!
I'm strangely excited. It's not strange
E aí,
at all,
Roco, vem?
actually. Hey, cut that out!
All right, spray can. We're gonna make a
Beleza,
new
ô Bruno.
deal.
Olha lá.
You leave my people alone, and I
Você me
don't
deixa o
toss you
pessoal
off
em
this
paz
roof.
e eu não jogo desse
yeah.
terraço.
Okay, sure, man.
Tá claro, of course,
All right. Let's get back
Vamos
to
lá.
the lot.
se não rolar os...
Just watch me. You're gonna be a good boy when I'm done. I don't know who you think you are. Trumped up studio security? I ain't security. I'm Solomon's assistant.
Ah, tem
for me, okay? You know, I'm really not very good at planning these things. Gotta think about this, man. Can I just say I was just in this for the promise of strong drugs? I don't want a new deal. So much has to be off the show entirely. But I've got a feeling you might want to reconsider as well. You meant to go over them. Ah! Think, damn it. We've got connections in this business. Enough! Enough! Alright, I'll do the shitty money.
Alright.
For the shitty money. I'll do anything you want.
Ah, convence ele.
Just stop! Okay. See? That wasn't so hard. Now let's get you back to work.
Vamos de helicóptero agora, galera.
Hey, Milton, what? I think you owe an apology to Mr. Richards. Would I be paid? No, you should apologize to me. A brutal honesty, but you're not that good. If Bill's phoned in, you're lucky you're working at all. You're kidding me, right? I am an artist, dude.
Artista, cara.
Apologizing.
Milton.
Solomon. You say, sorry for the misunderstanding, sir, and you will always...
Ai, meti um soco no rosto da hora.
Foi na hora. Look, I just wanted a better deal. Everyone wants a better deal. Everyone serving coffee, selling cars, typing in spreadsheets wants a better deal. But you got the best deal there is. You're making movies. Yeah, you look at it that way. Until you got a huge tax bill and payments to me and a big giant bungalow and shoebox. Shut up! You're lucky. Remember that. I didn't have the opportunities you had. I give my left arm to do what you do. You're making a movie. Now, where am I putting this thing down? When Devin Weston came to do a studio visit, use the empty water tank. All right, then we'll do the same.
Vai ver se eu fico no helicóptero.
Water tank to the parking lot. Setting it down.
Vamos lá, galera.
Solomon's office. Come on.
Look, I'm feeling a little beat up. How about I call my guy, go on a little jolly, and call Solomon from wherever I wake up in a week?
How about you see him right now, and we go flying again if you even look like you'll fail a piss test at any point on this shoot.
Ah, os artistas, vamos lá. Pra fazer o filme. Esse cara aqui é o artista do filme.
What a wonderful surprise.
Que surpresa fantástica.
My boy. You're an artist,
Então, meu garoto,
and this
então
story
você é um
is the best
artista.
kind of art.
Esse cara é meu artista.
Cliché-ridden pile of
Aqui é
dross
simplificado
that you
em
will
tudo,
turn
tempestade
into magic. Get a
clichês.
grip. I love ya.
Pouco veloz, né?
So Solomon, Milton here has a
Então,
little something he
Salomão.
wants to say to you. Say it.
Então, Milton vai falar. É só que
sorry
quer
for
dizer
any
que
misunderstanding,
sinto muito
sir.
qualquer mal entendido,
And
senhor.
I appreciate
Milton, sou
all the
grato
opportunities that you've given me.
por todas as oportunidades que você me deu. Of course.
What can I say? You're a natural.
Michael.
I love you.
You're too kind.
No, I mean it.
Gentileza
I don't
sua.
mean to presume. But would it be okay if I gave you a shout?
Mas tudo bem se eu te pedir um
This
favor?
shoot seems cursed for some
Essa gravação
reason or
parece
another.
estar amaldiçoada por
I
algum
need
motivo.
an associate
Preciso de um
producer.
produtor associado. Produtor associado.
I love that.
Eu adoraria.
We'll talk soon.
Aí
I gotta
sim,
go.
hein, Michael.
Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Agora o Michael vai produzir esse filme. Ah, da hora. Ah, senhor Nigel. Michael, eu não tive mais notícias de você, espero. Vamos conversar com o Dr. Freelander.
This is Dr. Isaiah Friedlander. My practice is closed now, but you can tune into my new radio show for all your mental health needs.
I need to borrow your car, lady.
Man, I'm drunk. But shit, I ain't getting drunker.
É essa missão do Lester pra fazer.
He didn't need him no more anyway. You fucking not right, Holmes.
Vou entregar pro senhor, essas coisas pro senhor e a senhora Nigel.
You had your chance.
Ah, esse dinheiro vai ficar pra mim, eu tô precisando. Vamos ver o level de capacete. Oh, da hora.
Don't see that in the graphic. No. Would you look at that?
Oh, senhor Nigel.
There you are, Jock.
Lembrou de Vinewood, Altinópolis.
Great. Where's your
Oh,
wife?
maravilhoso. Oh, great.
Mrs. Thornhill, she's not my wife. She's got a
A
husband
senhora
and two
Thornhill,
kiddies of
ela
her
tem um
own.
marido e os dois
We
filhos.
met online. It's nothing sexual. Where is she?
Não é nada sexual.
She's been trying.
Com ela está tentando se jogar embaixo dos carros das celebridades. É tudo doido.
Well, she can throw herself under my wheels.
Ela pode se jogar embaixo do meu a hora que quiser. All night.
You were funny, Jock.
Choque.
I knew I would like
Aham.
Can I have a hug?
Eu posso ganhar um abraço? Ok.
I've got a protruding hip. It's not a semi.
Nigel! Jock! You won't believe what's
Nigel,
happened!
Jock.
Only Al de Napoli.
Sou Al de
actually
Napoli,
walks.
caminhando.
He
Ele caminha
walks
mesmo.
among us.
Well, then what are you freaks waiting for?
Well, that's a long story.
A mistaken
Vamos.
identity.
And a lot of lies.
Stalking is not
E
what
muitas
I would
mentiras.
call it.
Not me. I told the judge I thought it was unfair.
Yes, anyone's trousers could have come undone at that point.
Exactly.
Jolly bad luck, and we were such fans.
Casar,
If only we
éramos
could
grandes
talk to
fãs.
him.
Yes, I know it was only his lawyers and agents.
Os advogados e os agentes dele.
If we could only get him somewhere private. You see, like that little lockup I know.
Uma pequena garagem que eu
No
conheço.
problemo.
Sem problema. Ah, de
It's
Nápoles.
that crazy English bitch again.
Nigel, he remembers me.
To the chariot! Jock, you
Olha a
drive.
carruagem.
Quick, he's
Jock,
getting
você
away.
dirige.
Come on, Jock, get in.
He's taking a left turn down the high street, Jock.
Did you ever imagine we might get a private audience with Al di Napoli?
Only in my wildest dreams.
All those nights.
Stop shooting! I can't hear myself think. We didn't say kill the poor man.
I hear that behind his charitable public face, he's remarkably right-wing.
One can but hope.
Liberal in the bedroom, conservative at the border, Mrs. Thornhill. I love this country. Glad to see you on the proper side. Careful!
Stop shooting! I can't hear myself think.
What on earth will we feed the man?
I hadn't even thought of that. He probably eats sushi or quinoa. Is that even how you say it?
What if he wants meth?
Don't get flustered again, Nigel. You'll have another turn.
Maybe I should have done.
Find out!
He's going into the car park.
The car park! No worries, mate.
Oh, I hope he likes us.
Is that the old Bill?
The police! What terrible luck!
Do you think we'll be in one of those police chains? Oh, my giddy eye!
Everything okay there, Earl Crazy Cakes?
My prostate has taken quite a beating.
You have to lower the tone.
This must be second.
Nigel de Nápoles, vem aqui.
This level of derangement, I'm impressed.
Little by little, I'm Is he going through the hospital?
Oh, my Lord!
Hold on to your corsets! Seems rude not to follow him through the window.
Whoa, de Nápoles.
Would you like me to escort your guest of honor to the trunk?
Até o porta-mala.
Don't mind.
Oh, come here, you! Come on! Come on! Let me meet your biggest fan! Huh?
You're fucking crazy!
Olá.
Oh, it's Al de Napoli.
Vocês são malucos. Ah,
You're good to go!
Ah, a true gentleman.
This is so exciting.
Nut jobs.
Dá pra pegar esse carro dele, não, né? É o carro que o Tinápolis tava.
Trust me, you don't want to carpool with me.
Hey, sucker.
Quero voltar pra casa.
sakes.
Don't see this car here.
Vamos fazer um trabalho para Devin Weston.
Fool, you're a blind fucking fool. Excuse me, my car.
Yeah, that's right. Vamos dormir na nossa casa. E aí, Floyd? Oh,
How could I say no to you, huh?
chicken. Oh,
Oh, you are a naughty bear, Mr. Jam.
senhor gelé de framboesa.
F-word! Ah, perfect! Just put...
Vai matar o Floyd. Ah! Sai com ele, Floyd.
Oh my god!
How?
Que da hora. Ele na praia, vamos ver aqui. Tem uma vez que eu ando por ele lá na praia à noite. Ah, o drive mergulha assim. pouco longe da praia. E nego fazendo fogueira aqui.
My new thing is 1930s Bulgarian cinema. God, whatever.
Olha só a turma bebendo cerveja.
Whoa! You need to find peace, brah.
A bandeira dos Estados Unidos. Vou acabar com a surpresinha deles. Olha, já sumiram. A caminhonete tá aqui. Ah, o Freud tá dormindo.
Sugar!
I gotta reload!
Report E996
No.
Bowman Street in Stockport.
Tá morrendo. Ah, o Freud. Qual foi o filmado da polícia na minha fora?
Suspect doing 50 miles per hour on Palomino
Essa é a última conta, não. Ah, vamos anotar o número do
Oh
Troy.
God, give me the strength.
Peraí. Ai. É.
Shit.
Ah, anotei. Peraí, já volto. Vai fazer essa missão. Vamos fazer essa missão do Devin.
Robbery! Call the cops!
Vinha Devin, olha, eu vou na delegacia de polícia. Esperar escurecer.
Devin Weston sent me.
Oh, right.
O Devin Weston me mandou. Opa, peraí.
Ease up, fool.
Peraí.
You pissed off the wrong cop, maggot!
Please, just take it easy.
Vamos pegar o que aqui? Um helicóptero? E aquele cara, o Zonil, Vocês vão vir perseguir a gente. Oh, tem que fazer aquela missão da molde lá. Ó o Devin, eu peguei o número dele. Shank Jr. Oscar.
Get on board!
Ride along? Sure. Let's go.
Let's go.
Boot up the scanner thing. It can pick up those new ID cards, right? When it's on, just fly where I point. Okay, booting up. You can use the sticks to move the camera.
Oh, legal câmera.
It'll pick up pedestrians carrying the 2012 SA state license. If you target them, the scanner accesses the database and pulls their record. Sounds good. We're gonna go see my pal. So hey, you researching a movie or TV? You're a screenwriter, right? Not exactly. An actor?
Vigilância, né? Da hora essa missão. E helicóptero, né?
I got a confession, okay? I'm not an actor, or a writer, or the son of a
Roubando os carros
I'm a
Devin
criminal
Weston.
and your boss has kind of sold you to me. Sold me? I'm afraid so. Like chattel. Huh? Now we got that clear, you need to know we're looking for a high-value automobile. Once we find it, my guy in the ground will jack it, and we're gravy. Right! There he is, over by the oil derricks. Let's see if we can scan him.
Oh, Frank.
Public exposure? What's the deal, Franklin? Man, fuck
Posição
that.
pública.
I got a high ass, homie. One time
Bunda.
You want me to take it out on the LSPD representative sitting beside me? Man, just get the house. Dude we looking for is down that way. I'll follow the claw.
Tá por aqueles lados.
Howard, you heard the man. Wherever you want to go.
Ó, o Franklin vai pegar o carro. É o carro dele.
You arrested my African-American friend for a minor infraction? The LSPD disgusts me. It's not me. I mean, there's some bad apples in the department, but any accusation of a racist culture, you want to bullshit me? You can bullshit the freeway. We do community outreach, but we have minority quotas. Yeah, you're nice, just got a minority quota. I should take, look, please. We come so far in the last 2 decades. You're lucky I can't use this thing with one hand and fly with the other.
Eu vou com a outra. Vigilância patrimonial. Os trabalhos de Devin Weston. Eu acho que vou colocar isso no...
What's the name of the suspect? The dude's name is Chad Mulligan. All right?
Chad Mulligan.
Roger that. Huh? We ain't after this one.
Nossa, o que ele tá fazendo?
That's right, this guy.
Alto e bom som.
Two guys on a rooftop going at it. Lady downstairs in the bikini. Let's see if we can connect the dots.
I got you, you creep.
Not our suspect.
I know my rights. It's him! You got him! She's showing it off. She wanted me to look.
Ah, tá querendo jogar lá pra pegar.
Keep telling yourself that. She wanted it. If she wanted it, why are you sneaking around? Punch the creep! That's the buzz.
Come in, Franklin. Suspect not in the area. I repeat, suspect not found in the area.
Well, shit, now you're paying for the service of me not shooting you in the face, you disrespectful fuck. I've already maxed out my ATM. Then you out of luck.
Wow.
Speaking about women like that, huh? What the hell is wrong with you? Shit, he was being rude, man. That ain't right. Disrespectful, man. You insane. He was just a You meant to be a pimp, and you keep killing my customers. Hey, don't make me hurt you, ho. Shit, I'm trying real hard. You're going crazy. A man wasn't cut out for this game. Shit, baby, you know I love you, baby. I'm sorry. I'm an idiot, you know, shit. Mugler! Aww.
You're going off to work with all those pretty women.
Come in, Franklin. We've got a positive ID on the
Chad
suspect.
Mulligan.
I repeat, we have visual on Chad Mulligan. No vehicle in sight.
All right, look, cool. We looking for his lockup, dog, all right? Stay on him and look out.
Roger that.
Monitore o Chad Mulligan, onde o carro, para descobrir onde o carro está estacionado.
Out of the way, you bag of worms! Control your dog, asshole! Easy, pal. He's in quite a fragile state emotionally. Nice, great. You've upset him.
We have lost sight of the suspect. Might have to send Pilot Boy down to draw him out.
Hold on, wait. You should come out from behind that building.
Ah, é?
Suspect's on foot.
Okay, I see the chopper. I ain't far away.
Hey, rise and shine! Huh? Yeah, man! Seize the day! Go on!
Ah, o seu carro dele tá aqui?
Suspect stopped walking. Appears to be accessing a small garage.
All right, this is it. I'm gonna get the call.
Hey, motherfucker! Oh, shit! Shit! Oh, fuck!
Oh, man. Chad Mulligan, ah.
What happened? Hey, look, just stay on him, man, and let me know where he is.
Nossa, o suspeito tá correndo, vai, filho.
Suspect sighted going south on Dutch Drive. Suspect going west down alley toward El Rancho.
Hey, where is he, man?
Car going north on El Rancho. All units be advised, we have a possible joyrider heading west on Howick in a black Z-Type.
Hey, man,
Oh, aquele carro é da hora, mano.
Ah, homie. I'd appreciate the authenticity.
Oh, okay. Well, I fucking don't.
W3, we have reports of dangerous driving in your sector.
But this is Chopper Unit 3. Reports are greatly exaggerated. Over. Your boy Chad very nearly totaled the score. Oh, Chad, that was close.
Oh, wow, Chad Mulligan.
All right, I see him. I'm moving in. Fuck this shit, man. You see him?
Suspect back on Del Perro heading west. Get a move on, Frank.
Nossa,
He's getting
canalha.
away from you.
Hey, you my eyes, right?
Reckless driver sighted crossing Dorset Drive. Suspect sighted near the Life Invader offices.
O escudo da Live Invader.
He's turned into an alley off Del Perro.
Hey, where the
Opa,
fucking
entrou no
asshole at?
prédio.
Suspect last seen near parking garage. Suggest ground team clear the building. Pilot boy, take us down. I need to see inside the building.
chat Mônica, desgraçado.
Slow and steady. This camera's giving me a little air sickness. I get violent when I'm queasy. No, I'm sorry. I'll keep her steady. All garage exits clear. Suspect is in the building. I can't see him. Need some help here, flyboy. Where is he? You can toggle to thermal vision if you think that would help. Oh! Well, you might have just earned yourself a reprieve. You know, I think I'm developing feelings for you. All right. Oh, this might help.
Hey, can y'all still see me? I'm in the middle of the garage, man, right here.
Oh, pronto, é você.
Hey, you reading other heat signatures on this level?
We got a guy. Standing over by a row of cars. Middle of the floor.
Well, let's see what the fuck he's doing. Hey, that ain't... Damn. You're the reason these places stink. Stank-ass motherfucker.
Del Perro, side of the lot. There's a man by a car.
I'll check him out. Hey, this ain't the ride we have. This dude working on a bug.
Man in his car to my right. Ooh, looks like he's on phone.
Fuck, dude could be calling the feds, homie. Nah, what else you got?
No.
Looks like the man leaning against the car to my left.
Tem outro no carro. Chat Mônica, cadê?
Don't know what he's doing here, but he ain't here, homie.
É ele, ó,
Near
chat
side of
Mônica.
the garage. On my left. There's a man in a car.
This better be him.
This better be the guy.
Hey, that's the motherfucker. Thank you, Trevor Phillips.
I know you think this car might be worth something, but it ain't. It ain't got no resale. Zilch.
Suspect down. Fine work, ground unit.
Mr. Clinton.
Hey, Molly, right? I got that
Hey,
car
Molly.
for y'all.
The Z-Type? Mr. Weston will be glad you caught us. He wanted to see it before we took off. We're on the way to his personal hangar at Los Santos International. I'll tell them to expect you at the gate.
All right. Hey, I'm delivering the
Molly.
ride to Los Santos International.
Hey, is the lady gonna be there? Or just a dick who ain't paying us till we get all the cars?
Shit, I think they both gonna be there, dog. Devin and Molly.
O Trevor tá vindo a Molly.
To Molly?
Man, I ain't hitting on nobody for you, man. Least of all, her.
God, why not? It's about time I settled down.
O nome da missão é vigilância.
Shit, man, you need like a lion tamer or some shit. This girl, man, she got balls, dog, but she needs some serious stones to handle your ass.
Just say hello.
Man, I ain't gonna be a part of that.
After everything I've done for you, you are just like Michael.
É igual o Michael. Olha como é que é esse carro por dentro. É, galera, acho que eu vou fazer essa última missão.
Aí eu vou desligar, que é a missão do Nigel lá. Estamos chegando no aeroporto internacional Los Santos. Opa!
Hey, I'm supposed to meet Devin Weston here.
Mr. Weston's hangar is up there on the left.
Oh, Weston. Fresh. Ao aeroporto internacional de Los Santos.
You know, if this beauty was a woman, I'd have to break my 20 and under rule.
Man, I'll just stick to driving, all right?
Hey, tell me something. You know how many of these things they made?
Shit, like 10?
No, not like 10, man. Exactly
Então, tipo,
10.
10. Só existe 10 desses veículos,
of
não?
dudes, huh?
Tell you something. How'd you like to drive a car like this one day, man? For real.
Like this? Or this?
Oh, man, right back at me, homie. Really nice. Hey, you know something? You're not like those snowbird retiree pals of yours. You are sharp, man.
Man, I'm just looking for a paycheck for my services.
No, don't worry. It'll come. That'll come. But right now, it is life lesson time, pal. You have got to wake up to what's real in this situation, bro. Take me, right? I am opportunity. I'm security. I'm fast cars, blow jobs, got the world on a plate. Those two clowns,
Ricardo
man, they are
egoísta,
the worst
Devin.
kind of disaster that can ever come down. They are a full core meltdown. You're just standing there soaking up major radiation. You have got to take stock, man. Make that call before it's too late.
Yeah, all right, man. I will.
Before it's too late, man.
Yeah.
Just take any car and
Yeah.
go.
Ah, eles vão viajar. Ei, quebrei um galho. Pra você, garoto. O Martim Madrazo precisava de ajuda e queria você. E eu fui e chamei o driver. De nada. Temos que subir até um rancho perto de Senhora Thornhill. Vamos ver o driver tá de helicóptero.
Ele roubou o helicóptero do Evan.
I hope it was a soft landing.
O Michael de Santa recomendou para um serviço. Seria uma atitude sensata vir até o rancho Lardim Vega da Senhora Thornhill. Lardim Batuadas. Aqui nós não foi ainda, né? Vamos descansar com o Michael. Eu vou desligar essa live, galera. Nossa, já é quase.
Oh, man, I feel like crap. This was a nice car.
Look out!
Yeah, let's hang at the beach soon.
Hello?
Não tem ninguém em casa.
Hello, Dr. Isaiah Friedlander speaking.
Hey, Doc, it's me.
Michael, how are you?
Not good, Doc. Not good at all.
Well, we spent a lot of time over the years discussing how negative actions lead to negative thoughts as much as the reverse. Because of the compounding of your classical low self-esteem with your assorted sexual hang-ups, the desperate search for the easy answer in life, and your profound narcissism, reality will have a habit of handing you a repeated kicking. Anyway, what's up?
Well, Doc, when you put it like that, I'm afraid I ain't got much hope.
Have you been acting out again, Michael?
You know, been a little up, a little down, Doc.
Tell me about the problem behaviors.
Okay, well, look, things are... I gotta tell you, Doc, they're awful. I'm making bad decisions here. And other people are picking up the tab for it. My family left me. They won't even take my phone calls. But I did meet this guy, Solomon Richards. You might have heard of him. Richards Majestic? Yeah, we're doing some work together. In the movies. Can you fucking believe that? I'm a movie producer.
Well, I'm glad to hear things are looking up. But you shouldn't look for validation outside of yourself. Validation isn't a label. It comes from within. Any other violent outburst, Michael?
Things have really been up and down, Doc. I mean, one minute I'm fine, the next, fucking red mist descends. I can't seem to help myself.
These are the classic symptoms of your condition, Michael. You're very ill.
There's a part of me, Doc, I just can't seem to control.
What about your sexual problems, Michael?
I'm doing well, Doc.
Michael.
In that regard. Nothing to report. Not one single thing.
That's great, Michael. It's real progress. See? Treatment works when you try.
So, hey, as you can see, I'm kind of doing better. Not perfect, mind you, but better.
You know,
Vamos
therapy
fazer
can
yoga.
really help you, Michael, which is why you should be really pleased with what you're doing. But I'm gonna have to stop you there. Oh, and there is one thing. Phone sessions are a little more expensive, obviously.
Obviously.
But so fulfilling. Let's speak again soon.
$1.500, ô louco, velho. Vamos fazer yoga? Legal. Isso serve pra relaxar, né, Michael? Vamos fazer o último. Põe a música de fundo. Estamos quase finalizando, galera, aqui. Aê! Bom, galera, eu vou me despedindo por aqui. Vou desligando aqui. A gente se vê no próximo episódio de GTA V, beleza? Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui.
e terem acompanhado eu até aqui. Ah, espero que vocês participem da comunidade do Discord. Entre nas configurações. O pessoal da Twitch participe do canal principal do YouTube, beleza? E o pessoal aí quem quiser apoiar o canal também, quiser participar do TikTok, tá aí. Então é isso aí, galera. Hoje foi um progresso bem considerável em GTA V. A gente se vê na próxima parte, então, beleza? Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. A gente se vê no próximo episódio com a continuação do mundo da história e eu combino algumas missões secundárias, beleza? Então é isso aí, galera. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado. Compartilhem o vídeo. Não se esqueçam, deixem um like.